Yo, what up YouTube? It's been a while since I've made a video, but wanted to come at you with one today. Sorry about the lack of uploads. Been going through a lot of stuff and just kind of trying to get back to myself, focus on my mental health and, doing adult things. But yeah, I do have a major project that I want to update you guys on, and just going to fill you guys down in the garage. Alright, so in the garage now. Haven't really touched the car for a little while, but we've got a lot of work to do. If you guys were on the Instagram, you guys would have seen. We have a Cage Kits cage that just came in about a month ago, I believe. With the cage comes a whole lot that needs to be done. Basically going to need to take everything out of this car. Both seats. Well, I'll leave like the seat in so I can drive it over to the shop later. Everything's got to come out. Headliner, all the trim, everything. So basically that's what I'm going to be working on over the next couple weeks or so. And hopefully we can get everything out of here and prep it to be welded in. So really looking forward to getting this done. It's gonna, be a whole project, of course, but yeah, my buddy Alex is going to be doing the cage for me. But I think before we even get started, one good thing to start with, before even stripping the interior, is checking the part numbers and making sure that I got shipped all of the correct bars. All of these bars have a laser etched number on them, so I gotta go through that list, and then we will start shipping this car. So yeah, let's get to it. So getting to the pallet here, they do send a list with everything checked off and then a blank list for you to check off. Definitely make sure you get to that as soon as you can when you get your order. I did email them, still waiting back from them, but I was missing one piece out of this pallet, unfortunately. Not a super big piece, but it is kind of important. Alright, so whenever you get a Cage Kits cage, it's a good idea to go through their invoice and make sure that they packed everything. This is theirs. And they will have marked off all of the things that got packed into this package. They send you a checklist as well that you should also follow by. Unfortunately, they did miss a piece. I don't have Z34. I don't have the gusset side left. So I'm gonna have to reach out to them and have them send me out that piece. But everything else is here and matches numbers. Just hopefully they are all marked correctly with the correct laser markings, because I've also heard that could be an issue as well, but we'll see. Pretty much sorted. Got the parts list figured out. Missing one piece. I did email Cage Kits. I'm waiting back for their response. Hopefully they can send that out to me, and then we can continue forward with that. But I'm gonna start cleaning this car out and take from there. Let's see if I can break this loose. So for the rest of this day, I just decided to take out the passenger side seat, both the kick panels and both of the door panels. In the video here, I just kind of rushed through the first one, but if you want more of an explanation, stick around. Oh, there's the seat. Just gotta bring it upstairs or put it somewhere. I'll figure it out. Cool. All right, just gonna find a spot for it. All right. So I popped off this little panel behind or in front of the door handle, and there's a bolt hiding under it. So pretty sure that's what's hanging it up. All right, get this speaker on out of here too. Hopefully I can get something smaller, or hopefully it fits when I, who knows. I'm just taking it out because it's pretty big. These kick panels off too. Cool. The other side. So coming around the other door panel, there's two plastic panels, one in front of the silver door handle and then one under the black door handle. There's a few bolts hiding under those. Feels like somebody's taken this off before. This is loose. It makes sense. Car is a salvage title. Oh yeah, this has been off before. The other screw's missing. There's supposed to be 2 screws on that. I'm trying to get a good grasp. There we go. That. After that, we got to get these little cables back here. Let's get these cables. So first, we have to like lock the car, pull this up and out. And then we'll open the door bit, grab the slack there, and take that out. And pop that off. There it is. There's this little clip here we got to get undone. It goes to the speaker. Get this black framing off of there. There you go. Put that back on. Well, I think for now, getting the door cards out, and the kick panels is good enough for me. I'll probably hit this back tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna make it into a different video or, you know, keep it in this one. But if you guys liked it, comment, rate, or subscribe, or whatever, I guess. And I'll catch you later. Have a nice night, day, wherever you are. Peace out.